Welcome to my channel. Follow these steps to set up your Orbi 370 Series Wi-Fi 7 mesh network system. Step 1. Download the app. Get the NETGEAR Orbi app from your phone's app store. Step 2. Connect router. Use an Ethernet cable to link your modem to the yellow internet port on the Orbi router. Step 3. Power on. Plug in the Orbi router and satellites. Wait for the router's LED to turn solid white, indicating it's ready. Step 4. Follow app guide. Open the app, sign in, or create an account, and scan the QR code on the router to begin. Step 5. Connect phone. Connect your phone to the default Orbi Wi-Fi network, details on the router's label. Step 6. Personalize. Create your new Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password in the app. Step 7. Place satellites. Position satellites for optimal coverage, ensuring they are within range, and the app will confirm connection. Solid blue light means strong connection. Finish setup. Complete any final steps in the app, like firmware updates or security settings. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.